Alright, we are at the Ritz-Carlton Orlando, Grand Lakes Hotel. There's the gorgeous lobby. We're gonna ride the elevators here, which are over here. Yeah, Elevonic 411s. Look at the custom lantern.
Oh, interesting. These are...
Oh, they replaced the brailles since I was here.
Alright, we'll go up to 15.
And you have an 88 phone. Alright, we'll go down and then we'll take 2 rides.
Okay.
Get a cab view.
I'll get a cab view when we're coming back up.
There's Daniel.
Hey guys.
There's me in the mirror. What's up?
Let's watch the button go out.
Watch it level. Back up to 15.
Alright.
I'm gonna get a view of this side.
Straight. Look at those gold doors. Those are beautiful.
Brass. But they look gold though.
Oh, okay, those are brass. Oh.
Yeah, technically they're brass. Still beautiful though.
You want to get a view?
Yeah, I'll send this car down.
Alright.
Otis interlock. Yeah, look at this. I'm gonna get a picture. Let's look in the hallway. Let's see. Yep. Here's the hallway of the hotel.
Oh yeah, you can get it. Beautiful.
Alright, let's go down. Custom call Series 4 call stations.
Yeah. Oh, that did have a chime, but
Very quiet.
I'm gonna get a bit of a cab view.
Yeah, they replaced the brailles on the buttons for all these.
Beautiful. Look at those.
I know.
In the mirror. Hi.
We're stopping.
11. Going down?
Yes.
Which floor?
Lobby, please.
Lobby. All right. We're just taking a video of the elevator.
Okay.
Lobby. And we will get off here.
Alright.
Anyways, there it goes.
There it goes. And that's it. See you guys.
That's it.